Chinmaya, and I was enrolled with Project VITA 4.0 Batch 1, which started in February. Something about myself, I belong from non-engineering background and I am a fresher. So I always dreaded quantitative aptitude and DILR, but the way Shankar sir taught us both these sections throughout the year, it really helped me overcome my fear of both these sections. Talking about quantitative aptitude, initially 3 to 4 months were devoted to theoretical part of it, and we were never forced to memorize any of the formula. We always focus on conceptual learning of the topic, and even while attempting mocks or practice material, we never felt need to memorize any of the formulas because sir has taught us how to conceptually derive them. And further, by giving examples, he made our understanding of all these concepts very clear. After classes, we used to be provided with home sheets. Home sheets basically consist of 50 to 60 questions of advanced level from topic which was discussed in class, along with the video solutions for all. But still, if we had any doubt regarding the topic which was discussed in the previous class, we could ask that 30 minutes prior to the next class. So sir used to provide us this 30-minute window for clearing all of our doubts of the previous topic. Besides that, once we were done with the theoretical part for both quantitative aptitude and DILR, for DILR sir provided us with 400 to 600 sets. All these sets were recorded this year itself by Shankar sir, and I believe in next project Vita 2 sir will be adding 400 new sets to it. So it provided really a comprehensive and very exhaustive DILR prep resource for us. Besides that, for all sets, video solutions were provided. I believe that was very crucial, seeing how sir attempt all these questions. Besides that, in the test taking phase, sir provided us with decision making classes where we used to be taught how to approach a particular section, whether it's quantitative aptitude or DILR. Sir also used to provide us with the live mock attempt, where sir used to attempt mocks from the big three institutes of mock industry. I believe throughout this, it not only helped me to go about conceptual clarity and theory, but also how I should attempt the section, especially in DILR. The strategy that sir told us to work upon was, I believe, very efficient compared to what we see that we used to choose set based on instinct, and then basically devote 5 minutes to a set and then switch to second, then again 5 minutes. I believe the strategy that sir told us, it really helped me on the D-Day. So I believe that throughout this journey, sir not only acted as a faculty but a mentor to who I can reach out to any of my queries regarding professional or education aspect. I believe in future also for my GDPI process, I will enroll with Anastasis